Welcome back, y'all. Today we are doing a pair of Thursday boots, the Captain style. Now, this is a pretty straightforward resole. He wants to keep that same studded, but he wants to go over to a Dainite. And it's, like I said, it's pretty straightforward. They're a little dirty, so we'll have to get them cleaned up, but let's keep going. All right, for those who are not familiar with Thursday boots, you ought to get familiar with them. They've really made themselves known in the last several years. And the Captain is kind of like the original style and probably one of the most popular. We've worked on a lot of these, and the heels on these are really thick, really hard leather. They are real leather. And normally you'll see me, in a shoe try to pull it off. I can't do that on these. These are always tough to get off, so you pretty much have to take these off layer by layer. The nails are so long, and they go from the inside out. There goes the shank. All right, so I did notice that the insole is cracked through, and that's because this is just like a fiberboard pressed paper insole. It's not full leather. It's a synthetic kind of blend, and it's one of the things I don't like about shoes that use these is they do tend to crack. Not always. And the shoe is still wearable. It's flat inside and it can still be resoled. It's good you're welted, but you won't get that with, typical wear with a leather insole. All right, so we removed that second sole on the second boot and the shank. I didn't even recognize this piece because it broke so cleanly. And I don't know why it broke. Not a very strong shank. We're gonna put a little more robust shank in there. All right, so we're fixing to stick these soles. We're gonna do something a little bit different than we normally do. Normally you see us use leather, like using natural materials. Thursdays, most of those come with a crepe midsole, and it does add a little bit of cushion to it. And we're gonna put it back the way it originally was. So that's why we're using the crate midsole. All right, so we've stuck the heel blocks onto the shoes, and Thursdays actually had the nails going from the inside of the shoe out, so we're gonna nail those in. Quick little shout out. I got this in the mail with a pair of shoes that were sent in. It's a C.S. Osborne magnetic hammer, and I was gonna give you a shout out, and I misplaced your name, and so I apologize about that, but if you're watching and you're the one who sent this, thank you so much. Of course, I'll find the piece of paper like after this video has been done, but thank you so much. We've got some great viewers out there. All right, so you can see that is just conditioner. Amazing what happens when you just put moisture back into the leather. If you want to go a step further, you can add some cream, put a little bit more pigment back into it, but hydrate your boots, y'all. All right, ladies and gentlemen, before we show you the final product, just a little reminder that if you want to know what products we used in today's video, or if you're interested in having your shoes redone, check out the link down in the description below, potterandsons.com. Also, be sure to check out our other site, southernpolished.com. Resole.com. It's also down in the description below. All right, so this guy, like I said, he just wanted to have some Dainites put on these Thursday boots. We did go with the crepe midsole because that is what comes on most standard Thursday boots. Adds a little bit of cushion. And we put Dainites on these, as was the request of the customer, and just got them cleaned up. It was a pretty straightforward, simple resole, nothing too technical, but here we go. All right, so that wraps it up. Thank you so much for watching us. Check out all our other videos. Just go and binge watch them if you want to, and give us a thumbs up. Till next time, y'all have a good one.